Today, I'll tell you the reason why I chose the name Bloody Trains. I know this might seem a bit childish, but it is true. A bit clever too, I must say. I was gonna change the name too, but people told me, don't, just leave it. I actually like it, they said. So I was like, fine, okay. So, I'll show you. Looks like a steam train, doesn't it? Yeah, pretty clever, huh? So yeah, and it's true when I was a little kid. Even to this day, I still like, well, everyone does. I, I like trains.
I like trains.
Trains, not our diesels. No, I like steam trains. Old-fashioned. 'Cause you all know that I'm an old-fashioned person with a top hat. Yes. So, that's it. And today's my anniversary of my YouTube channel. I will upload a bit more later. So, see you to the next upload.